see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Wow! So what's that? Yes, I did. Wala na pala siyang laman loob. That's what they said. Yeah, I'm gonna stay here, Bob. But check ko pa rin kung may buto kasi di ba yung mga bata kumakain. Good morning, guys. Wait, Baba. I'm just gonna go see Daddy in a minute, okay? May nag-deliver kasi ng wood kasi sobrang lamig na dito, guys. Sa amin. So, this week daw, sabi ni Jan, mga negative. Hindi naman negative. 6 degrees, 7 degrees. So, ayan. Nag-order na kami ng wood para sindihan na ba yung fire doon sa amin. Kasi ngayon yung gamit namin is yung portable na heater. So, na-heat niya lang is yung living room tsaka yung kitchen, hindi the entire house. I think she's come. Hi, Baba! It's cold, Baba! So, ayan. May dalawa. Ito, isang trailer. Puno siya. And, ayan. Isang truck. Ganyan lang. Ayan, napupuno yung maliit na shed na yan. Baba! It's cold, Baba! Ayan. Come here. Mommy, hug you. Come here. Pasok ka sa room ni Mommy. It's cold. Say, good morning, people. Is it cold? Yes. So, yan. Ano bang date ngayon? Wednesday. What date today, Han? Yeah. Galis lang ng mga bata. Kani-kanina lang. So, siguro magna-9 pa lang. Ay, ang lamig. Let's go inside? No. Yes. Come on. Let's go. Titignan yan, Daddy. Yes, come on. Ayan. What's this? This is the wood. Yeah, lots of wood. Is this? Mabango tong wood. Ewan ko, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan ng wood yan. Baba, look at the camera. Smile! Oh, that's Kuya's school. Ano, may bell na. Malapit lang kasi yung school nila kaya naririnig namin yung papasok na sila sa room. Pag yun yung second bell. Ayan, nagdala na si Jan. Ha? Let's dry hand. Ayan, nagdala na si Jan ng woods. Namin yan in stock para mas madali lang siyang kunin. Pag kailangan nang i-refill yung fire. So, off na raw natin yung yung heater. Ito yung ginagamit namin ngayon. Ngayon may wood na tayo, yun na yung gagamitin natin. And yan, inalis na, diba? May mga boxes ng mga toys dyan ng mga bata, yun inalis na ni Jan. So, yan, sisindihan na to ni Jan maya-maya. Patayin na natin yung heater. No, Daddy said, turn this off now. Ayan, off na siya, guys. Yes, Daddy said. Ayan na si Jan. Ayan. Oops. Ayan na. First time sindihan yung fire for this year. Yeah, look at that, Baba. Baba, it's gonna hit all our rooms. Ayan, naabot yan sa kwarto namin. Bukas lang dapat yung pinto. Don't touch. Kaya may fence to para hindi nila i-touch. Okay, don't touch that, Baba, ha? It's very hot. Dinagyan niya muna ng konti para ano ba yung mag-amak sa Tagalog? Basta yan. Hindi niya muna dinagyan ng marami para hindi mamatay yung apoy. So, lagyan muna siya. Ibabaga kung sa Bicol. Magbagang muna siya.
Hey guys, I'm gonna get my new shoes.
Yes.
Because we didn't find some at Adelaide.
That's right. So, ngayon,
Because there wasn't a size for me.
yes. So, alis sila ng daddy nila. Hinintay lang si TJ. And si Holly, kinuha ni Jan ng...
Holly's asleep.
Yeah, Holly. Can you show me the jumper na? In-Instagram ko yun eh. In-Instagram ko to kanina. Binilan siya ni Jan kasi galing din si Jan sa town.
Wait.
Sa Mount. Ayan.
When he went to the bank.
No.
Bye.
Bye. See you later. Good luck. I love you too. And ayan yung fireplace. Second day na ngayon. Di ba kahapon lang namin yan in-start sindihan. Kasi kahapon lang dumating yung mga kahoy. And very warm na dito sa bahay. Pati sa mga kwarto. And eto yung sapatos ni Zach. Yung luma niya. Basa yan kasi kahit sinundo sila ng daddy nila, naglalakad pa rin sila papunta dun sa parking. So, ang lakas ng ulan kanina. So, ayan, pinatutuyo ni Zach. And, yun nga, umalis sila para bumili siya ng sapatos. And, eto yung kanina, pinakita ko to sa inyo. Eto yung binili ni dyan sa town. Nung pumunta siya dun si Holly tulog. Nung pumunta siya sa doctor's appointment niya. Eto rin, binili niya rin to sa Bunnings. Eto yung indoor na sampayan. Wala kasi kaming dryer. Choice namin na hindi bumili ng dryer kasi, okay lang naman kasi pag walang dry. Pwede naman kasi kami magsampay dyan sa pagola. Pero pag gusto namin mas madaling tumuyo, ayan. Meron kami nito dati, pero hindi ganitong style. Pero indoor ano rin siya, sampayan. Pero wala na. Nasaan na kaya yun? Wala na yun. Nasira na siguro. So, paano kaya to? Basta malaki to. Ayun. Ayan siya. And eto pala yung mga toys yan, guys, na nakikita nyo dun dati sa ibabaw. So, hindi ko alam kung saan ko sila ilalagay. So, linagay ko muna sila sa bin bags. So, dalawa yan, oh. Dami nilang toys. Ayan pa, oh. Toys. So, yeah. Pag-isipan ko kung paano ko yan aayusin one day. But, for sure, yung iba, i-donate na. So, ganyan siya kalaki, guys, oh. So, ayan. So, yeah. One day, pakita ko sa inyo pag naglaba tayo. Eto, ano to? Ayan, oh. Maano siya. Akala ko lubid. Kasi naangat siya, oh. Ano rin siya? Plastic. Rubber. Ayan. Tapos nakadikit siya dito talaga, oh. So, yan. Pinakita ko lang. So, mamaya, tingnan natin kung anong makukuha ni Zach na sapatos. Si Holly, ayun, tulog na tulog siya, oh. And, nanonood sila kaninang footy. O, ayan, umalis sila. So, at ako naman, i-edit, guys. Ayan, nagluluto ako ng dinner. And, binabalatan ko na yung mashed potato dyan. And, nandito na sila. Ayan. Wow! Let me see. What's that kind of shoes? Asics. Let me see. Is it fit?
I got new jumpers, but it's a size 3.
Size 3?
Yeah, and I'm nearly at the end.
Why? Why nearly at the end?
Huh? No, he's right.
It's alright.
Where's
Where's Holly?
Sleep. Still.
Is she?
Yes.
Yeah, nah. It's a size 3.
So you said size 4.
No, one, I would say. So what do you say? You can thread it through the other holes up the top.
What?
$500 later. I couldn't get any. I got him one jumper, but it's just like you said, they're in that size where they don't have much of. So he got an 8. He got a couple of jumpers.
A couple? How many? 2?
2.
How about me?
None for you, right?
Oh, none for me, of course. None for mommy.
Had a lot of both.
Well, I made you a bag.
Ah, you made me a bag.
Oh, with the other bag?
Ginawa na ko ni Zach na. Is that for Mother's Day?
No.
No?
It's only for a gift.
Ah, just a gift. Pakita ko sa inyo yung bag na Let me see, kuya. Aba, ang daming shopping. You said you're just gonna buy shoes for Zachary.
Oh, get himself jumper and tracking to a ring.
Tulog pa rin si Holly. Let me see, kuya. Look at Holly. She's still asleep. Ayan, sabi nila sapatos lang. Wow, ayan, mag-haul si kuya. What's that, kuya? Let me see. Take it off, kuya.
And this one?
For who? Zach? Why two? The same? Why the same color, hon?
Same colour.
This is one like just like Dad's t-shirt.
Let me see.
There's Zacky's.
Where's Zach?
Mom, this is just like Dad's t-shirt.
Yes. Is it good? You like it, Zach?
Yep, they're for you and TJ. They're the longer ones, so you don't keep wearing them.
So, biniglan din sila ng socks kasi palamig ng palamig dito. Let me see. Leave her now. Show me what you got, Daddy. So is this your shoe sock?
That's the old, but oh here, this there, she got this too, Zach, golf.
For golf? An inner one?
Oh, for this golf.
See?
Let me see. Nike. Wow, you're lucky. Ito daw pang golf ni Sak. Wow, you're lucky, kids. But none for Mommy and Holly.
Yay,
Oh, did you get some for Holly?
No.
A trackies for
No, I
Holly?
didn't have any. I tried.
Oh, you tried. Who's that one?
That's that.
Sak, you get how many jumper you have?
Tie that up so I can put this on.
Okay, let me see. Si Holly tulog pa, guys, oh. Ayan yung ano, talikod siya kasi. Wow, kuya, let's look nice. What size is that?
8.
8.
This one's a
this one,
8.
please, eh?
This one's a 8.
Look after.
That one is 8?
Yeah,
No,
but
it's
it
not,
still
isn't it?
fits.
Yeah, looks nice.
Try that.
Walang ibang size kay Sak eh. Mahirap hanapan si Sak kasi maliit. Wow. That's nice. You have the same as Holly. Holly's pink one.
I'll try that.
Tinawagan niya ako kanina, pinapakita niya sa akin, kukunan niya sana ako ng rip curl na jumper. Ayoko yung, kasi may zipper. Gusto ko lang yung hoodie. Yung ganito lang ba? So that's yours. It looks old.
Brand new, just came out of the box. She
Right.
said, do you like these? She gave me a sale, but it was too thick. I said, I'll get hot with that.
You want, that's a thinner one.
Thinner one, but
Yeah, it's not that. Nice. Wow. Lahat sila naka-curl. Ah, si Sak pala Adidas. Saka si Holly. Tulog pa.
That's warm.
Is it warm? Where's the other one? How many jumpers you got?
One.
Ah, one.
And got another pair of them open trackies, but different colour.
Oh, you had that one, hon.
Not this colour.
Oh, but this looks like the same.
What are these?
Kumasya another Oakley
These are
one.
extra large.
No, no, this is.
Rip curl.
Rip curl.
Let me see your socks na. Oh, you have to watch for your ano ha. Kasi laging nawawala ang isa ng mga ano na.
These ones I got in Adelaide.
What's that one? Quicksilver.
Yeah.
Pumunta sila. May maganda rin kasi ditong ano, yung sports arena. Is that, ha?
Arena. We went to arena and in the store.
So, diba? You said you just have one
That's
jump.
in Adelaide.
Ah, that was in Adelaide. Ah, nabili yan sa Adelaide.
These are the
That,
ones
what
I'm
size?
wearing
That one looks
Extra large.
large, extra large.
Mom.
Why that
Oh,
one's
look
look
at
bigger?
that.
Oh, diba? Nice. Where's the jumper for that one? Ah, trackies. Let me see your Zach. 7 to 8. Your size is 7 to 8 na, nak? 7 to 8. Extra large? Where's the other one, kuya? Let me see. Nagtatago dun si kuya.
This one's extra large.
But that one looks bigger than the other one.
Yeah, I don't want to too tight.
Let me see lang. Si kuya, dalawa yung ano niya, jumper niya. No, you're so pogi.
Is that
Put the hoodie. Let me see. Put the hoodie.
this jumper?
Put the hoodie. And put.
They need trackies and they need jeans.
Yeah, that's the
They
one.
need jeans.
Yeah, we don't have that one.
Because that'll go good with jeans and that.
Yeah, I told you to buy them at Chains. In pumunta kasi kami sa Adelaide. Nagmamadali kami nung pumunta kami sa Harbour Town. So, hindi talaga kami nakapag-shopping.
Do that.
Baba, wake up, Baba! Nakabalik na lang sila, Daddy. Tulog ka pa rin.
Oh, I have holes.
There's another one.
Maganda yung shoes na nabili ni Sak. Asics. Ayan. $89.95.
You put that in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you don't do
Kita
that.
nyo? Oh.
And look at all these socks.
Hang on.
Mm.
They're yours and Zach's.
Well, this one's not wearing mother. What's that white?
What's that
These
one?
are the one I'm wearing the mother.
Why are you wearing white? Where are the other ones?
Oops, nag-blur kayo. Bakit? Ba't nag-blur?
On this side.
Hi, Baba! What happened to your hair, Baba? They're back, Baba! They went shopping. Di ba? Gumising. Where's your jumper, Baba? Where's your pink one?
So is this one already in?
Big slip on.
Where is, it's over there, Baba.
Is this one already in?
Yeah, it's already done. Here's yours, Baba. Well, who moved it? Because I put it here.
Where is it
I
now?
put it here.
I think it's... Nasaan na ba yun?
You must have.
I think so. Ginalaw ko yung sakuray. Maybe it's on my chair, huh? Yeah, it's on my chair. Kuya! Kuya, can you get that Holly's jumper, please?
Is it pink on me?
No.
No? Let me see, nak. Amoy bago, nak.
What?
That one, yes.
Baba.
O, diba? Sapatos lang yung bibilhin kay Sak. Ayun
I
na.
didn't show a hard nut the whole time.
What's that?
Which one could I buy? This one?
Lipstick,
Or
huh?
the big stick?
Beef stick? Biscuits.
Sorry.
Kuya, you look, come here daw, kuya, come here.
Size 3. I'm a size
You got that the same color, honey.
No, that's an old one.
Yeah, but this
This
it's
is
like
just arrived, this jumper.
yeah, but that's like the same the one you had before.
Mom, I do not know what one to choose.
Anyone.
I want
Anyone?
to choose this one, but and that one.
Well, you both got to be wearing them, so.
Yeah.
There.
And make it sure you put it together
Yeah.
when you put in the laundry kasi laging nawawalang isang ako lang ba yung pag linabhan ko hindi ko na mahanap yung isang partner ng ano nila medyas. Let me see. Huh?
Please, shoes.
A what? Fast?
Yes.
Fast?
Yes, Joe.
Very light. Parang wala kang suot.
I
Ayan.
shouldn't choose another one.
What
Because
one?
it's under boy's color.
This is
That's
boy.
fine, mate. That's
This
a
is
good
for
colour.
akala niya kasi pink para daw pink. Red. It's
Oh.
red. Oh, nice, son. Yep.
I think this one's a
Large.
But this
Okay.
other one I bought was an extra large because.
Where is it? The black one?
Right. Because.
Because
Hey,
who?
Zach, put this one on. Try this
Try
one.
that one for your
Tama.
golfing. Show it to me. Patry natin to pa nag-golf siya. Si Holly, ayun ko. Come on.
Jump like that.
Let me see, nak.
Why?
Come on. Hindi siya makamove on sa kanyang bagong shoes. Oh. Sabi ni Jay, maganda talaga ang Asics. Gusto niya ako bilhan dati. Sabi ko, ayoko. Kasi gusto ko yung yung Adidas or Nike.
Why, Dad?
Makikita raw. Okay, turn around. Let me see yan. Ayan yung black niya, oh. So that one is extra large, Han.
Like that. Grab two, grab one.
Tinuturuan siya kung paano
Fold
mag-fold.
that with your fingers.
I know how to do it.
I know you do. Come on. Come on, Nako. Try this one, oh.
Yep, that's fold.
It's alright. I'm not gonna film you kasi makikita yung logo ng niya, school. Ayaw niya. Okay.
Just put it on.
No, not yet. She's just gonna try. Chinek ko lang yung niluluto ko.
Yeah, but there's a little like this.
Is that the one from Arena?
Yeah.
The Oakley one. So, ayan yung kanyang trackies. Nice. Wow, Zach! Tingnan mo lang yung ginagalaw yung buhok niya.
That's right, yeah.
Wow.
This is the socks I'm gonna wear.
Show me how you hit the... Wow. And you can put a jumper with that one too if it's really cold kasi taon naman na, pa-winter na, meron pa silang Are they still gonna go golfing when it's winter, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sa June, July, mag-golf pa sila. Sobrang lamig. Ay! Sobrang lamig na yun. Bagay kay kuya yung jumper. You have to be careful with this white spot here because I cannot put chlorine on that one. And that one too, you have to be careful. You look after your stuff. Marami na silang nasasayang na kasi namamantyan, hindi ko na tawag na matanggal. Kasi pag linagyan ko ng chlorine, syempre yan, puputi. Kaya sabi ko, ingatan nila. Baba, get up, Baba, when you eat. Relax lang siya. Ito yung kay Holly. Oh, hinahanapan niya din si Holly ng trackie. Wow, you're lucky. You're lucky, baby. Is this yours? Can mommy have this? No? So, clean up. Sack. Wow. That one, is that your sack? That one?
What's those socks there?
What's this socks?
I'm gonna use it. These are what I'm gonna.
Tingnan mo. O, tingnan. Kuya, show me your socks. Di ba? Nag-shopping sila. Iba na kasi. Hindi naman nila ito sinusot sa school. Kanina lang kasi nagmamadali sila. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Hindi na mahanap yung mga paris niyan. Nice socks, kuya. Where's the other one that you bought from Adelaide, Han?
What?
All the...
They're in that other bag.
Kasi binilan din silang puting mga medyas kasi sa golf, kailangan puting, ano lang.
That's for the kids.
This is for their golfing.
I go.
Because only white.
Oh, yep.
You're only allowed white socks. So put it there.
Dad,
Where's mine?
Dad, I'm just gonna put it.
Ito sa kanya.
Ma, Dad.
No. For tomorrow. Okay. Okay. So magluto na ako. Oy, clean up ha.
And that.
Sak, why are you putting it back in the box? Huh? You're not gonna wear it? Okay, magluto na tayo ng dinner.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah. It's alright. Oops. Wrong.
Ours is a Super King, isn't it, Dad?
Ayan, kain na kami. Ang ulam namin is afritada, beef afritada. And yung kanin na linuto ko is yung basmati, yung mahaba, hindi yung, may basmati kasing yung, ano tawag nun, yung hindi ganito kahaba yung butil ng kanin. Basta yan, basmati. And eto kay Kuya TJ, ayan kay John, mashed potato. And kay Holly, mashed potato and rice. Kay Zach, gusto niya raw itry yung mashed potato. But for sure later, hingi yan ng rice. And si Holly ang nag-set up ng table. And ako, ayan, naggagawa ng thumbnail. So, ayan, kain muna kami. Let's go! Oy, come on. It's ready now, Han.
Beautiful potato.
Ayan na sila, oh. Nakalimutan ko i-switch yung light kanina.
Hi, sweetie.
Is it alright? Holly? How is it, Baba? Good. It's alright. I'm not worried sila kasi baka raw makulang ko yung logo ng school nila. Nothing. Okay. Tapusin ko na to. Malapit na to. Yan, si Kuya, pangalawa. Alam niyo na si Kuya, mahilig sa rice. Tapos na si Jan siya kasi sa... You want more? Rice? Manners? Okay, manners? Manners? Okay. Tingnan niyo si Holly. Ang lalaki ng subo niya kanina. Is it good? Wala nang rice. Oh. Marami pa siyang... Oh. Good.
No rice.
More rice? Pang ilan mo na yan? Ha?
Huh?
Is that your second or third?
Share, Bubba.
This is my second.
So, you're gonna have another one? Oh, diba? Rice, ano to si Kuya eh. Hinuhuli niya yung ulam. Okay. Eto na yung... Pang ilan mo na to, Kuya?
Third. This is my third.
Yeah, pangatlo niya na yan. And si Holly andyan pa rin. Si Jan siya kasi ando na sila.
Please.
More what? Manners. There's more here, Baba. Oh. Yes, here. Finish that first and I'll get you more. Pangalawa niya na rin yan. Okay. Okay, wait. But how about this one? One more here. Oh. And I'll get you more. Gusto niya na rin. Kasi gaya-gaya siya kay Kuya. Okay. Okay.
She's copying me.
Yeah, I know. She is a copycat. Okay. Okay. Lagyan ko lang siyang konti kasi copycat lang naman yan kay Kuya. Here na, oh. Oy, bata. Baba. Anong sasabihin kay Mama?
Thank you.
Ha?
Thank you.
Salamat. Opo. May pa ganyan-ganyan. Good? Okay. Tapusin nyo na yan kasi ako kakain na rin ako. Tapos na si Kuya. Binigyan niya ng Yakult. Si Holly. Yan guys, i-close lang namin yung vlog.
Hi
ano. Tapos na silang kumain and ayan, nakapajamas na sila. And si Kuya, tingnan nyo. And eto, kay Kuya TJ tong pajamang suot ni Holly. And then, napunta kay Sak, ngayon siya naman na nagmana. O, diba? Let me see, Baba. Lightning ma. Sino ba to, Kuya? Who's this one?
Mine.
Okay.
I don't know if it actually is lightning queen because lightning queen's meant to be red.
That's right. So, I'm not sure. Basta, racing car siya.
And they must have changed the color.
Yeah. And si Daddy, nanood ng Footy kasama yung friend niya. Who washed the dishes tonight?
Dad!
Dad. Ano yan? Yeah. Parang ano yun, ipas ni Jan. Pag, halimbawa, alis siya, maghuhugas talaga yan. Magsasabi siyang, wash the dishes, son. Tapos, alam ko na yan. Ma-exit yan pagkataas niya maghuhugas. So, close na natin yung vlog. Thank you, guys.
See you next vlog. See you on the next vlog.
Please like.
Please subscribe. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night now, people.
Good night.
Okay. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Siya mag-press. Okay, press.
Hi, Dad. Shuffle time, baby.
Curvaceous.
Precious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sige.
Say
Tors.
toss.
John Ray.
John Ray.
Alota.
Lotta.
Germa.
Dama.
Jackson.
Doctor.
Daisy.
Daisy.
Petras.
Peters. Hey. Bye. Mwah.
Dito na sila, oh. Ayan na. Ang ingay.